what's up mga kakote? It's me, Kuya Michael, and welcome sa Kuwaderknows, wherein learning is the name of the game. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aming YouTube channel, pinutin mo munang subscribe, like, and share buttons for more updates and videos. Bago tayo dumako sa ating topic for today, sagutan muna natin ang end of lecture question number 5, which is, we must simplify the quantity 3x squared plus 5xy minus 6y squared plus 15x plus the quantity 6x minus y minus 13x minus the quantity 3x squared minus 7xy plus 6y squared. So dito, kailangan lang nating i-combine yung mga like terms. At kapag subtraction, i-distribute natin yung ating minus sign. So ano nga ba sagot natin dito? First, we must distribute the minus sign right here. So kung ito, kita nyo itong minus sign, distribute natin yan dito. Which will result into lahat ng mga signs dito ay mababaliktad. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo dito, naging plus dito, tapos itong 3x squared na positive ay naging negative 3x squared. Likewise, yung negative 7xy ay naging positive 7xy dito. At yung positive 6y squared naman ay naging negative 6y squared dito. Then the rest will remain as is. Pagkatapos, dito na papasok yung ating pag-combine ng ating mga like terms. So dito, we have 3x squared plus negative 3x squared plus 5xy plus 7xy plus negative 6y squared plus negative 6y squared plus 15x plus negative 13x plus 6x plus negative y. So if we combine these, maka-cancel to kasi ito ay positive at ito ay negative. So contradicting sila. Next, itong 5xy plus 7xy, it will result into 12xy, which, ito lang, sulat ko lang. And then, itong negative 6y squared plus negative 6y squared ay magiging negative 12y squared. Magkakamali pa nga ako na sulat. So, ayun, magiging negative 12y squared. Plus 15x plus negative 13x plus 6x. So, 15x plus negative 13x, that is 2x plus 6x plus 8x. Then, of course, negative y na yan. So, pwede mo siyang isulat as negative y. So, this will be our answer. Check natin. So, ayan. So, we have 12xy minus 12y squared plus 8x minus y. So, hopefully, nakuha ninyo yung tamang sagot. Okay? So, let us now proceed to our topic for today, which is multiplication of polynomials. Actually, tatlo yung parts na ito. Ito yung first part, which is multiplying from monomial to polynomials. Ang second part kasi natin is from polynomials to polynomials, which includes binomials to binomials and binomials to polynomials with terms of 3 and higher. Then lastly, pag-uusapan natin ang special products. Okay? Our objectives for today is to apply the distributive property of numbers in multiplying polynomials and multiply a monomial to different kinds of polynomials. So, nabanggit ko dito yung distributive property. So, ano nga ba yung distributive property? Ang distributive property of multiplication is this. When a number is multiplied by the sum of two numbers, the first number can be distributed to both of those numbers and multiplied by each of them separately. Then, adding the two products together for the same result as multiplying the first number by the sum. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Oh my gosh. Okay. So, ganito yan. Bigyan ko ng numerical example. We have 2 times 3 plus 5. Normally, sa PEMDAS kasi, ginagawa natin dito is, we would add the 3 plus 5 in the parenthesis first. Di we have 3 plus 5 that is equal to 8. Saka mo siya i-multiply sa 2. So, we have 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Sa distributive property, what you can do is, pwede mong i-distribute yung ating 2 dito sa 3 at yung 2 sa 5. Meaning, i-multiply mo tong 2 sa 3 at i-multiply mo tong 2 sa 5. So, kaya kapag ginawa natin yon, magkakaroon tayo ng 2 times 3 plus 2 times 5. 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 5 is 10. So, ito yung products. So, kukunin mo lang yung sum ng dalawang products, which is 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. Pero bakit pa kailangan natin ng ganito? Madali, kailangan lang pala natin ng ipag-add yung mga nasa loob. Well, that is only applicable kasi if constants yung given. Dito kasi gagamit tayo ng mga terms and variables. And alam naman natin na hindi natin pwedeng i-combine ang mga terms na magkaiba ang variables at ang kanilang degrees. Okay? So, let's proceed to multiplication of polynomials. So, again, i-apply mo lang yung distributive property doon. And I will show you an example actually. Pero some reminders. First of all is always combine the like terms, especially when you are in the addition process na. After mo kasi mag-distributive, di ba, i-multiply mo pa yon. Then, darating ka sa punto kasi na there's a possibility na may mga like terms pa. So, always combine them. Okay? Number 2, take it slow. So, pag mahaba kasi yung isang polynomial, it could be a little bit frantic or masyadong nakakalula, nakaka-overwhelm na mag-multiply ng ganong kahabang polynomial. So, just take it slow. What I would usually do is binibilugan ko if may like terms. So, para hindi ako mahirapang mag-combine. Then, of course, number 3, this is a prerequisite na kasi, just remember your addition and subtraction of polynomials kasi applicable pa rin naman siya. Okay? So, let's proceed to some examples. Question number 1 is, we have x times the quantity 3x plus 5y plus 6. So, ako muna sasagot dito at ang gagawin natin dito is, i-distribute natin ito by using the distributive property. Okay? So, ang solution natin dito is, yung x natin, i-distribute natin yan sa 3x at sa 5y at sa 6. So, basically, ang mangyayari dyan, we will multiply them together. Okay? So, ang mangyayari dito is we have x times 3x plus x times 5y plus x times 6. Pagka pinag-multiply mo yan, x times 3x is equal to 3x squared. By the way, this is somewhat a law of exponent already na kapag pagka nag-multiply ka ng dalawang variables na may dalawang variables tapos same sila, ipag-add mo yung exponent nila. So, since multiplication yan at parehas naman silang x, di ba meron silang implicit na exponent na 1? Pinag-add mo lang yan. So, x times x is equal to x squared. We will discuss this further naman, pero ayun, just a hints up kasi, it's important naman. Next is x times 5y. So, just simply multiply them together. We have 5xy. Then lastly, x times 6 that is equal to 6x. Okay? So, nagets po ba natin? Hopefully nagets because in question number 2, I will let you try this. Okay? Pause the video if you would like to try. Nabubulol na ako. Okay? So, if na-pause yun na and tingin nyo may sagot na kayo, then let's proceed to our solution. So, it's simply just distributive property naman. So, i-distribute natin, oh my god, bit x to. This is supposed to be 7y. This is 7y, okay? Use the distributive property to distribute 7y to the terms inside the parentheses, okay? So, we have 7y times xy minus 3 is equal to the following. Distribute to 7y kay xy, then distribute to 7y kay negative 3. Or kay 3. Notice na kung ano yung sign na nasa gitna, yun din yung ginagamit natin dito. Okay? That's the thing to be worried about. Okay? So, multiply natin sa 7y times xy, then yung multiply natin sa 7y at kay 3. Thus, kapag pinag-multiply natin sa 7y kay xy, mare-retain si 7 at si x. Tapos yung y, apply ulit natin sa law of exponent na kapag same yung base, ipag-add mo lang yung exponent. So, we have y times y that is equal to y squared. Pasensya na sa mga pangit na sulat. Minus, kasi kokopay natin yung sign, 7y times 3, that's 21y. So, that should be our answer. And yes, 7y times the quantity xy minus 3 is equal to 7xy squared minus 21y. Hopefully, nakuha niyo yung sagot. And actually, that's the end of our lecture for today. But here's our end of lecture question. Now, we must multiply 6xyz times the quantity 3x minus 6yz plus 15xy plus 10. So, You may put your answers in the comment section, and in the next lecture, pag-uusapan natin iyan. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned a lot for this lecture. God bless!